impressive.
Immaculate is a good name tonight, Dwayne, after the sprint double,
In
the
class
Quinella
4.
in class 4. All right, I'm going to tell the viewers ahead of time, Spencer, what I was going to tell them after the race. Only 2 juniors have ever gone sub 10. Only 2. That's the world junior record holder, Tebogo from Botswana, and Trayvon Bromell from the US. Those are the only 2 in the history of stud sport who have gone sub 10 for the 100 meters. Do we see the third?
Yeah. So we
also expect great performances from Jaden Reed and DeAndre Daly. I think they should be getting a PB out of this.
Yeah, here's Yuri Lawrence Clark. He's from Kingston College, goes in lane 1.
10.55 seconds coming in.
Jamaica College's Hector Benjamin, he goes in lane 2.
10:31, the number 2 man at JC, hoping to score big points now.
Monk Street into the quiz final. Raheem Pinnock representing in the Class 1 boys 100 meter final.
10.40 seconds.
In lane 4, 818, his name is Bouwahjgie Nkrumie from Kingston College.
The 7th fastest junior ever to run the 100 meters at 10:02, Jamaica's national junior record holder at 10:02 and the champs record holder at 10:08.
Next to him, DeAndre Daly of Herbert Morrison.
An extremely talented sprinter who should get a personal best tonight. 10.21 seconds.
Yeah, 10:21, a personal best in the semis. Next to him, Jaden Reed from the Cayman Islands by way of Jamaica College.
He's the number 1 man at JC, their top sprinter, 10:24 his personal best to get to this final.
In lane 7 from Manchester, the cool Hills, Javoon Blair, the central champion.
Extremely talented young man, and we expect a great performance from him. 10.46 seconds.
And rounding out the field, the Penn Relays 4x1 medalist, Junior Harris from Camperdown.
10:41 to get here. Part of the controversy with that false start in heat semi-final 3.
Wait for the cut.
So, again, viewers, expect history to be made right now inside the National Stadium.
Class 1 boys 100 meter final. The record was done in the semi-finals by this young man from Kingston College, Bouwahjgie Nkrumie. He laid down the gauntlet with 10.08 seconds a couple of hours ago. He holds the national junior record at 10.02 seconds. He's on the cusp of history. He's on the cusp of doing something unprecedented in local junior track and field. Will he deliver? We will know in a matter of moments. The set position. It's an electrifying start by Bouwahjgie Nkrumie. Daly and Benjamin are chasing relentlessly. Nkrumie steps on the accelerator, goes away in grand style. It's a great performance. 9.97. Wow, we have just seen the first ever top 10 in the history of champs. Comment the hour, comment the man, comment Bouwahjgie Nkrumie. Another stunning performance. Wow. What have we just seen? Daily for silver, but Bouwahjgie Nkrumie, 9.99. Take that to the bank again. First in the history of champs, top 10. A new national junior record, and for the second time on the day, in a matter of hours, another new lifetime best by this prodigy out of Kingston College, Bouwahjgie Nkrumie.
Dr. Speed.
It's a Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, exclusively on TVJ, TVJSN, and OneSpotMedia.com.